Technology provides farmers with a vast amount of data about their crops these days, and a new platform at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln aims to help better harness that data and convert it to practical, easy-to-use tools. Professor Joe Luck joins us now for a further look. So good to have you with us, Joe. Tell us a little bit about this new platform.
Well, thanks so much for having me. Yeah, I'm excited to share with you our Nebraska Future Ag Research and Management Systems Initiative, or NFarms, which we're deploying up at our Eastern Nebraska Research, Extension, and Education Center. That's right between Lincoln and Omaha, and it's a farm operation of over 3,000 acres, which ties into our new Colostrum and Feedlot Innovation Center. And what we're really seeking to do there is develop, evaluate, and test new technologies at the farm scale to see how those new technologies might be able to benefit farmers. We're going to be breaking ground on a new building at the NREC facility to really anchor that across the state.
Now, can you provide some examples of the types of tools that NFarms will make possible?
Sure. Just in the past few years, we've had students, graduate students, working on projects like how do we take remote sensed imagery and create software to help producers drive their nitrogen management decisions through center pivots or fertigation. That's an example of a student project that's actually out there. The students created a startup company that's offering that to producers today. We've had other examples of projects where students have taken near real-time application data from our agricultural equipment in the field and are creating software to help share that more efficiently with folks that might be interested in understanding where and when pesticides might have been sprayed. There's huge benefits just in reducing inefficiencies and reporting on that. Also, hopefully improving workspace safety. So we've got a lot of opportunities like that, not to mention other tools more related to automation and robotics in the future.
I tell you what, this sounds like an amazing platform and some valuable information being gathered. So have to ask, why Nebraska and why now?
Well, as many people know, just in the past few years here, there have been a proliferation of new digital agriculture technology. So not just the hardware systems, but the data-driven decision support systems. And again, we really feel like Nebraska is a great place to do this because of our production scale operation we have there that we can tie in digitally across the state. You know, we have 3 different research, extension, and education centers, and the common theme there is digital connection across these platforms. So we think that it's a great time to do that. We want to test and develop these technologies, partner with industry to create new technologies, and the benefit is we de-risk some of that evaluation for the farmers because they could get this information without having to expend funding to try that out on their own operation. So we're excited about that opportunity.
Absolutely, and the way technology is impacting agriculture in a positive way. That's Professor Joe Luck with the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. We sure do appreciate your time today.